In this video, I'd like to go through a few things that I think will help you use Google Docs more efficiently, starting right from creating a blank document. A way that I can do that without going through the extra clicks of getting to my Google Drive, I can type in docs.google.com and then put a / create at the end, and that will automatically put me into a blank document. One of my pet peeves about Google Docs is when they're shared with me as untitled documents. One of the ways of relieving this issue is to type in the title of your document and then just click in the title bar, and that will automatically take whatever you have typed in as your first line and name the file that way. I like to have my files organized, and the way I can do that is using this folder icon. As soon as I hover over it, it becomes the Move To command, and I can choose to move this item to my drive and into the appropriate folder. Now it's named properly and it's organized. In this document, I'm going to put the contents of some of my research because I'm doing a project for my grade 9 tech class. There are two ways I can do my research. I can go to the Tools menu and click Explore, or I can go down and click on Explore in the bottom corner. Explore has already seen what is in my document, and so it has pulled up, without me even having to type, it has pulled up a whole bunch of articles for me. So I'm going to type in spinach health benefits. And then from the web, I have these options. By clicking on the quote, I can put it as a footnote to my information, and I can also choose what format it should go into. Notice I could also be searching for images or from Drive. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put in the citation, and you can see it's given a little 1 for the footnote, and if I go to the bottom of my document, there it is, properly cited. And this is something your students really might appreciate. Now that I've got some information in from Explore for my research, I can click the X to close it, get my regular window back. I want to be working on this document when there's a potential for me being offline, so say I'm taking public transit or I'm going to be on a plane somewhere. What I can do is I can choose to work offline. And the way that you work offline with Google Docs is to go into Drive, go to the gear in the upper right hand corner, Settings, and choose Offline. So what this will do is it will sync all my Google Docs, sheets, and slides, and drawings to the computer so I can edit it offline. So click Done, and then it will go through the process of syncing so I can work offline. What if this is a document that I would like to share with people so they can view it? And I don't necessarily want to allow them all to edit. I don't want to type in their names specifically for viewing. There's an easier way around that. I'm going to go to the Share button, and I'm going to click on Get Shareable Link. This is now a link that I can paste into an email, or I can put on my course webpage, and it'll allow anyone within Crescent School, so within our school, to view the contents of the document. If this is a document, though, that I want other people from outside our school to view, I can click the down arrow and I can choose it to be public or anyone with the link. And anyone with the link is certainly safer. I am going to leave it as anyone at Crescent School with a link. So that's one quick way of sharing it with a bunch of people for them to view it. Another way of sending this file to people from outside our school community is go to the File menu and choose Email as Attachment. It can be emailed in different formats, and PDF is the format that is most universally viewable. Type in their email addresses, type in a message, and they will get a copy of it so they can open without having to have a Google login. So this is great for emailing something to parents or to people at other schools. So I hope these tips will help you make better use of Google Docs and become more efficient and broaden your horizons, and also help your students, of course. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about anything to do with technology at Crescent School, please don't hesitate to contact me, and I hope you have a great day.